I'm second year cadet in the military program. One thing I like about the program is that we all get to work as a team and we learn about leadership and discipline. One of the reasons why I decided to come back to the program again was because the bond I get to make with my other peers.
What I really enjoy about the Cadet Corps is that it really teaches us a lot of things, stuff that can really help us out in life. It also gives us useful advice like, how to give someone CPR and other stuff. And I really like this program because, it's very fun, it's chill, it's relaxing, and it's amazing. So that's why I love this program.
The purpose of the program is to really teach leadership. We use the military format as a structure. We emphasize on 5 major things: leadership, patriotism, citizenship, military knowledge, first aid and so on, and health and wellness, and academic excellence. Okay? Our cadets we try to keep them well-rounded in academics as well as physical training. They do exercise, they do march, we participate in parades, they do wear a uniform. And like I said, the main purpose of the program is to teach leadership. It's not to recruit anybody into the military. That's the last thing. But we're trying to help them develop character at this age. So when they get to the high school, they're a well-rounded student, and both in academics and physical, and maybe even in the social skills.